Okay, guys, here's our first energy lesson. All right, we're going to have two parts of this are a must do and one is a should. You should be able to do all three, but if you have to, cut off one, then cut off the should. So what we have here is I want you to go to Quizlet, and there's 17 cards, and it's just talking about different terms. Okay, it's literally, I just want you to become familiar with the different types of energy and some of the important terms with them. Here you're going to be putting and listing the types of energy that are introduced. I'm going to tell you right now, and so it is definitely a good thing that you are watching this. There are 10 types of energy that they talk about, okay? So make sure that you are looking for all 10 of those. When you are looking at this, I want you to think about what of those 10 types of energy require that there be particles, okay? And which of those don't need particles, okay? So as they're talking about the different types of energy, think about, okay, does this energy need a particle to be around, or can it, is it an energy that doesn't even have a particle involved? I also want you to think about which of those types of energies require motion, okay, and which of them do not. So some of these energies require things to move, and some of these require things not to move. All right, so that is your majority. So once you're done with the Quizlet, I want you to pick 3 of these 10 types that they talk about, and I want you to make a flip grid that compares and contrasts each type of energy. Make sure that you give an example. This could just be you talking, or you might get a picture and describe it. But you're going to make it in the flip grid. Here's the link, all right? And then what you're going to do is on the sheet, you're going to tell me what 3 types of energy did you fix. Now, right here on our video, this is an error, and I'm going to fix that before tomorrow. I just want to know what 3 types of energy did you pick, okay? Can be any of these 10. And then I want you to briefly tell me what are the examples of each type of energy that you pick. And putting all of these things in here, this is like your notes getting ready to make your flip grid, okay? So I want you to fill those out. I need you and want you to tell me how are these 3 energies the same and how are they different. So this is kind of like your notes. Then the should do, okay, the extending part. I would like you to go back to that same flip grid, and I want you to look at the other videos, and I want you to comment on one of the other videos, and I want you to compare and contrast their 3 types of energy that they chose with your 3 types that you chose. And I want you over here to tell me who is it that you are commenting on. So if I was commenting on, if Miss Vonk did one and I was commenting on her video, I would say Miss Vonk's video. And then right here, these are my notes. How is it that these 3 types of energies, how are those, their group and my group, how are they the same? And how are they different? Okay, so these are your notes getting ready to comment on the flip grid itself. And this way we can be collaborative and we can be supportive of each other, as well as just learning more and more about the different types of energy.